In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Sendgrid API. We'll walk through creating a new API key inside your Sendgrid account, setting the right permissions, and making sure you store it safely. I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by logging in to your Sendgrid dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, find the section labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings, and from the options that appear, choose API Keys. This is where you can create, manage, or delete the keys that your applications use to communicate with Sendgrid. On the API Keys page, look to the top right corner. You should see a button that says Create API Key. Click on that. This will open a form where you'll define what this new key is for and how much access it will have. Next, you'll need to name your key. In the API Key Name field, type a clear, descriptive name that explains how you'll use it. For example, you might call it Website Contact Form or Production Transactional Emails. The goal is to make it easy to recognize later, especially if you end up creating multiple keys for different projects or environments. After naming the key, you'll set its permissions. This determines what the key can and cannot do inside your account. You'll see options such as Full Access, Custom Access, and Billing Access. Full Access gives the key permission to access every part of your account. This is powerful, so it's usually best reserved for trusted internal systems where you truly need complete control. Custom Access lets you fine-tune which areas the key can reach. You can enable or restrict access to specific features, while billing and email address validation remain excluded. This is a good choice when you want to follow security best practices and give each key only what it needs. Billing Access allows the key to work with billing-related endpoints. This is particularly useful if you're on a larger or enterprise plan and need automated tools to help manage invoices, usage, or account finances. Once you've chosen the appropriate permission level, click the Create and View button. Sendgrid will now generate your new API key and show it on the screen. This is very important. The full key will be displayed only once. As soon as you see it, copy it immediately. Then, paste it into a secure location, such as a reputable password manager, or a secure secrets vault in your development environment. Avoid saving it in plain text files, sharing it in chat, or committing it to version control. If you lose it, you'll have to generate a new key, because Sendgrid will not reveal the full value again for security reasons. And that's it. You've successfully created and configured a Sendgrid API key, chosen the right permissions, and stored it safely for use in your applications.